Hello guys, welcome to Evolving Knowledge channel. Ready to learn? Today let's talk about an important topic in physics, which is radiation. What do you know about that? Stay tuned, it will be a short video where I will cover the essential aspects of it. Radiation is energy given off by matter in the form of rays or high-speed particles. All matter is composed of atoms. Atoms are made up of various parts. The nucleus contains minute particles called protons and neutrons, and the atom's outer shell contains other particles called electrons. The neutron is a subatomic particle with a neutral, not positive or negative, charge and a mass slightly greater than that of a proton. A proton is a subatomic particle with a positive electric charge of +1 e elementary charge. And finally, electrons are subatomic particles, whose electric charge is -1 elementary charge. As you know, in the nucleus, we find the neutrons and protons. One unstable nucleus may emit a quantity of energy, and this spontaneous emission is what we call radiation. The history of radiation began with the German physicist Wilhelm K. Röntgen's discoveries in 1895 regarding X-rays. This feat enabled other scientists to carry out further research on radiation, as is the case with scientist Becquerel. He studied the characteristics of phosphorescent and fluorescent substances and the properties of uranium salts that led him to discover radioactivity. Later, Marie Curie, and Pierre Curie, deepening the work started by Becquerel, discovered two other chemical elements capable of emitting radiation. These elements were given the names of radio and polonium. Such discoveries earned the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903. The physicist, Ernest Rutherford, also contributed to the study of radiation. From his research, it was possible to discover the nature of radioactive emissions and the types of radiation emitted: alpha rays, beta rays, and gamma particles. In 1908, Rutherford received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for his discoveries about the disintegration of elements and radioactive compounds chemistry. There are two kinds of radiation: non-ionizing and ionizing radiation. The non-ionizing type has enough energy to move atoms in a molecule around or cause them to vibrate, but not enough to remove electrons from atoms. Examples of this kind of radiation are radio waves, visible light, and microwaves. Ionizing radiation has so much energy it can knock electrons out of atoms, a process known as ionization. It can affect the atoms in living things, so it poses a health risk by damaging tissue and DNA and genes. Ionizing radiation comes from X-ray machines, cosmic particles from outer space, and radioactive elements. Radioactive elements emit ionizing radiation as their atoms undergo radioactive decay. Radioactive decay is the emission of energy in the form of ionizing radiation. The ionizing radiation emitted can include alpha particles, beta particles, and gamma rays. Radioactive decay occurs in unstable atoms called radionuclides. Alpha particles are positively charged and made up of 2 protons and 2 neutrons from the atom's nucleus. Beta particles are small, fast-moving particles with a negative electrical charge. Gamma rays are weightless packets of energy called photons. Unlike alpha and beta particles, which have both energy and mass, gamma rays are pure energy. The electromagnetic spectrum demonstrates the radiation's energy. It covers electromagnetic waves with frequencies ranging from below 1 Hz to above 10 to the power of 25 Hz, corresponding to wavelengths from thousands of kilometers down to a fraction of the size of an atomic nucleus. Currently, there are several radiation applications, but one of the main ones is in the health area, as in radiotherapy treatments, to fight and cure cancer. But radiation is also used in the media, such as radio and cell phones. In archaeology, radiation is used to date ancient and fossil artifacts, using carbon-14. Hello guys, how do you find the video? Please give us feedback in the comments below. You can also suggest a topic for the next videos. If you like content like that, like our video, subscribe to the Evolving Knowledge channel. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next journey. Bye.